Un paisaje sano absorbe más agua, pero cuando el paisaje está degradado, compactado, erosionado, quemado, la lluvia no tiene capacidad de entrar en el suelo. Por ello, se va en escorrentía y en evaporación. Eso es lo que pasa en Guanacaste.
A better future is possible. Families in Guanacaste's small communities have seen the results of a changing climate and land degradation, and they are eager for solutions. Signs of a growing conscientiousness and the desire to become involved are appearing everywhere, from families planting a few trees every year along the riverbanks to volunteer fire brigades saving thousands from destruction. We are building the Guanacaste Water Center to accelerate and amplify this change. We have a vision of ensuring water security for future generations, not via pipelines, but through renewing the best reservoirs on Earth, healthy landscapes. The center will be a unique place where diverse people collaborate, an active demonstration site for the ideas and real-world tools that will empower communities to achieve the change needed. We invite you to continue participating, learning, and sharing with us.